Welcome, bird lovers. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a journey to the serene backwaters of Bhigwan Dam, located about 100 kilometers from Pune and 20 kilometers from Baramti. Built on the Bhima River, a tributary of the Krishna River, this place is a true paradise for birdwatchers. We set off just as the sun began to rise, the golden light dancing on the water's surface. Our boat glided quietly through the calm waters, surrounded by the soft sounds of nature waking up. Bhigwan is renowned for its flamingos, and it didn't take long before we spotted these elegant birds, their pink feathers standing out against the blue sky. But that's not all. We were also lucky to spot ibises, egrets, herons, and the ever-flashy kingfishers. As the day turned into evening, we stayed to witness something truly magical, the murmuration of rosy starlings. Now, if you're not familiar, murmuration is a phenomenon where thousands of birds fly together in a swirling, pulsating mass. It's like a living, breathing cloud that moves in perfect harmony. They swooped and soared, twisting and turning in perfect synchrony. It's a sight you have to see to believe. Finally, as the sun dipped below the horizon, they settled down on the trees for the night, and the sky returned to its tranquil state. But wait, there's more to Bhigwan than just birdwatching. After a long day of exploring, nothing beats indulging in the local culinary delights. Bhigwan is famous for its mouth-watering dishes made from a variety of sweet water fish and chicken. All prepared in typical Indian curry and masala style. Imagine savoring rich, spicy fish curry with a cold bottle of beer by your side, pure bliss. Wrapping up the day, Bhigwan Dam proved to be a spectacular spot for birdwatching and a foodie's delight. From the graceful flamingos to the delicious local cuisine, it's an experience that stays with you. So, if you're a bird enthusiast and a foodie, pack your binoculars and appetite, and head to Bhigwan. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of such fascinating tiny tales. Until next time, bye-bye.